Hi everyone, welcome to our channel TechStudios. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can create Zoom account. For that, you need to open any web browser on your device, and then on the top you will see the search bar, and here you need to type in Zoom and press enter in the keyboard. Here on the top you will see the Zoom link, so click on it and this interface will appear on your screen. On the top right corner, you will see the sign up free option. Click on it. After that, you are guided to enter your email address, or you can also sign up with SSO, Apple, Google, or Facebook. Once you have entered your email address, you need to click on continue. In that, you need to check your email for a code. Once you have entered your code that you received on your email address, you need to click on verification. You'll be guided to this page where you need to enter your full name followed by the password. One by one, you need to enter all your credentials here. Once you have so here it is given that password must include at least 8 characters, one number, one uppercase letter, or one lowercase letter, and the password must not include 4 or more consecutive characters. Example, here it is given. So once you read that instruction, according to that, you need to enter your password. Once you fill out the password according to the criteria, you need to click on continue. Here it is notified that if you want to save your password, you need to click on save, and if you don't want that, click on never. Here you can see that my account has already been created. Zoom. Here you are guided to this page where again you need to fill up your profile of the Zoom, your phone number, your language, time zone, date format, time format, everything here, and then you can easily create your account on the Zoom. So this is it guys. Thank you.